The birth of the Sun, like that of other stars, is a complex astronomical process that involves the collapse of a region within a giant molecular cloud of gas and dust. The process begins with a region of a molecular cloud collapsing under its own gravity. As the cloud contracts, it conserves its angular momentum, causing it to spin faster as it becomes smaller. This is only beginning process. After this, it turns into a protostar. But in the hustle and bustle of life, humans often don't have time to contemplate. Our days are filled with work, and we rush around, barely pausing, only to fall asleep exhausted at night. This cycle continues day after day. But have you ever thought that amidst all this rush, we are forgetting things that are the reason we are alive? Yes, there are things around us that nature has provided us with. Among these, we have the sun, who was turned up into a protostar. Let's see after this. The protostar heats up and reaches a temperature where nuclear fusion reactions can occur at its core. This marks the transition from a protostar to a main sequence star like the Sun. The fusion of hydrogen into helium generates the energy that counteracts the gravitational collapse, leading to a stable phase known as hydrostatic equilibrium. Gravitational collapse and nuclear fusion create the Sun which we see today. The Sun provides us with light and is also the largest source of energy. The Sun not only illuminates the Earth, but also extends its light to other planets in the solar system. In our solar system, there are 8 planets, 166 moons, several asteroids, and comets orbiting around the Sun. The Sun is so massive that even if you combine all of them, they wouldn't come close to its size. Understanding the Sun is essential because it has given us life, and our daily routines depend on it. If the Sun were to stop giving its energy for just a day, Earth would turn into a frozen sphere, and life would cease to exist. The Sun is a part of our Milky Way galaxy. Billions of years ago, clouds of dust and gas gathered in space. Due to some force, these clouds began to come together and contract, leading to their solidification. Gravity formed, and energy started generating through the actions of hydrogen and helium gases, resulting in what we now call the Sun. Other planets formed from the remaining clouds, which are present in our solar system. Now, talking about the structure of the Sun, approximately 4.6 billion years ago, the Sun was born. But did you know that the Sun doesn't have a solid surface? It is entirely made of gas. If all the energy in the Sun were to be depleted, its size would become similar to that of Earth. The Sun consists of 74% hydrogen, 24% helium, and 2% other elements. It's this abundance of hydrogen that allows it to produce so much energy. It takes about 8 minutes and 22 seconds for sunlight to reach Earth. In our solar system, there are 8 planets, and they also orbit around the Sun. This is due to the force of gravity from the Sun. If this gravitational force didn't exist, our planets would wander off into space. Almost all planets have their own gravitational pull, but the Sun's gravity is the strongest. All the planets maintain their distance from the Sun. They can't get too close, nor can they move too far away from it. They all revolve around the Sun in their orbits without colliding. Our Earth takes about 365 days to complete one orbit around the Sun. This defines our year. Earth rotates on its axis, completing one rotation every 24 hours, creating a day and a night. Even if you were to combine all 8 planets, 166 moons, several asteroids, and comets in our solar system, they wouldn't compare to the size of the Sun. Hope you found that how Sun was born. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Bye.